In this video from Device Doctor, we will show you how to replace the maintenance box on the Epson L6550 printer and fix the service life ended error.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
This is the Epson L6550 printer. The screen shows a warning, maintenance box service life ending soon. This message means the internal maintenance box is almost full. If it is ignored, the printer will stop working. In this video, we will guide you step by step on how to replace the maintenance box safely and keep your printer running smoothly. First, remove the maintenance box carefully from the printer. Take note of the box's code number. This will help you get the correct replacement. Handle the box gently to avoid any ink spillage. We have prepared a new maintenance box designed for the Epson L6550 printer. You can easily purchase the correct maintenance box online from platforms like Amazon, Alibaba, or other online stores at a reasonable price. If you do not have access to online shopping, you can also visit local printer parts shops or service workshops to get the correct replacement. Now insert the new maintenance box into the printer. Make sure it is seated correctly in its slot. When the message appears on the printer screen, press OK to confirm. This allows the printer to recognize the new maintenance box properly. It's box replacement on the Epson L6550 printer. As you can see, replacing the maintenance box is a simple but important step to keep your printer working properly. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who may need it. Thank you for watching Device Doctor.